Okay, this is what I'm building. And I've received a lot of very poor comments because for people who aren't building, they don't know just to get to this point, there's a lot of math in it, a lot of design engineering in it. And they just say, well, I'm posting a comment. How much time do you want me to waste on something I'm not involved with? So I'm going against that, and scientists who say with this, when the weight, like this one, is rotating downward, right here, the center of the weight is the center of mass that's calculated from the axle of the wheel. And then when it gets to here, the bottom center, then the center mass here will no longer be calculated here. It will be calculated from here, from where it's suspended from. This position to the axle is shorter than that other position. That's conservation of angular momentum. And this means that when you have a weight here with its center of mass here, that's how it's calculated, to here, it's less than there to there. Scientists, engineers, and mathematicians will all say that's wrong. It's a law of physics called conservation of momentum and conservation of angular momentum. They simply do not allow for it in a mechanical device that relies on conserving momentum. And with this, I have a lockout mechanism, nice spring loaded, and this will move in when that tab rolls over it, and then it'll hold it in that position until it reaches bottom center, and then it will rotate around this way freely as it goes back up on the underbalance side. A lot of work is going into this, so, and I'm ready to start assembly now. And next week, I might be able to start in the frame because I have started designing the actual frame. And I need to be to this point to understand the dimensions I'm working with for the frame. Because for what I designed to build this with, I changed designs. As I build, it's a prototype. It's a first run. So it will be modified during the build itself. And anyone who ever tries anything like this, what you start with will not be what you finish with. Because you'll say, I can change this and it can work better for you because you'll be doing it the way you understand how. And it's important for a person to understand how to do something the way they know. And then they'll find out what they can get to work. That's how you evolve as a person and develop more capabilities by finding out your limitations and what you can do to be less limited.